Hello and welcome to another episode of Muddy River Mixology Monday, where each week we introduce a new rum cocktail using one of our amazing award-winning rums. Our drink today is going to be the Valentine's Day Passion Punch. So, I'm here with my lovely wife and co-owner Caroline, and
it's been a while.
Yeah, she hasn't
from the videos.
She's been super pregnant. By the time this video airs, we will have another kid.
Yeah.
So,
by Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Got
a big weekend coming up.
Sorry,
baby day, my
Day.
birthday, then Valentine's Day, all in one weekend. So
yeah, it's gonna be a big week. Might take a little bit of time off work. Probably not. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So since she's pregnant, we're gonna do a virgin version of this drink and one with alcohol for me. So in order to make this drink, the ingredients you will need include passion fruit juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, grenadine, coconut rum, and Queen Charlotte's Reserve.
2 rums.
2 rums going in this one.
1 ounce of each, right?
Yeah, so it's still
a normal
amount. Yeah.
Nothing too crazy.
Yeah, so we're gonna start our drink off in this mixing glass. First ingredient is passion fruit, and that's what puts the passion in this Valentine's Day cocktail. We are going to need 5 ounces. That's 2.5 ounces per person.
Again, the passion fruit juice is normally in the international aisle. Most of the time it's not with the juices in your grocery store. If you have any trouble finding it.
Next up, we're using orange juice. Orange juice is going to be 3 ounces. After the orange juice is in, we go to the pineapple juice. Pineapple juice is going to be 2 ounces. Give this thing its Valentine's Day color, also with a little sweetness and flavor. Grenadine. We're gonna do 1 ounce of grenadine.
So half an ounce for each.
Half an ounce for each drink. There's our color right there. Cool. Now, at this point, there's no alcohol in this drink. We're gonna give it a good stir and serve it up. For Caroline.
Thank you, hubby.
For me, I'm gonna do 1 ounce of coconut rum and 1 ounce of my favorite Queen Charlotte's Reserve.
Is that 1 ounce?
That's an ounce.
You gotta drink a little extra for me, right?
Yeah, I'm drinking for 2.
Okay. Oh, lovely.
All right, folks, that's our passion fruit.
Wait. You almost forgot the best part. Jake and Jeff made these beautiful orange hearts. They're so cool.
Yeah, that's raw talent right there.
Yeah.
It really makes it romantic. Guys, hope you enjoyed this video. The recipe is going to be in the description below, along with links to our social media and our website. Please come out on Saturdays, take a tour of our facility. And
taste all the rums.
Taste all the rums. You can find our products in your local liquor store. Happy Valentine's Day, and cheers. My love. Just a peck. I'm making out.
So hard.
We were just talking about
Cheers. Sip. And peck.
Hey, I just bought you a bunch of new pants. Why are you still wearing hobo pants? 4 pairs of pants. Almost ripped off your
Yeah, I got him in the leg there.
stuff.
Jeff's taking credit for that one.
Well, that's dumb. I kind of threw something. I kind of touched it.
Hey, you got one last baby in before you almost lost it, so. Greenwall, the lights. Behind your ears. My husband's hair is longer than mine.
You just leave your shirt off. The shirt
Got like the shoulders out. Like,
leaving us something to wonder.
warming us up for Valentine's Day. Yeah, fingers are swelling. So
You need to get a little closer.
can't do it. Is that close enough?
Look super pregnant.
I am super pregnant, I assure you. Sure you have that.
I look super.
Is that?
This is gonna be a big ass weekend. Your birthday too.
Yep.
Jake's 1 year anniversary is this Saturday.
Yes. Oh my god.
Next Saturday.
Wait.
Try to make that as important as it's like baby's birth, Caroline's birthday, Valentine's Day, Jake's anniversary.
We'll take you out for a nice seafood dinner too.
God, Jake, you're such a jerk.
For Valentine's Day.
Table.
I'll say the amount and you say what it is. So I'll say we'll need 5 ounces of.
Passion fruit juice.
Ounce.
Oh, wait, you got kind of red in your ear. Is that blood or?
Oh no, it's strawberry. From our muddled strawberry.
How did it get in your ear hole?
That's a great
You'll
question.
have to
Rob.
wait
How did
and
it
watch
get in
the
your
video.
hole? For the record, how did they get in your ear?
Oh, it hurts.
What did go
Wait, yours
wrong?
now swollen and red now from the video.
I feel like there should have been more banter.
The paper.
Well, because you
don't
literally like, you don't have to read that. And then you're like, what's next? And I'm like, I can't see. I don't have my glasses on.
And then I'm gonna pour.
Flashy queen for your queen, right?
Yeah.
How about I'll give you this real love one. Real love.
Feed me, Mama Bird.
No, that would have to go with my mouth though.
Just make
Why are
sure
your
Pen
hands so
works.
dirty? You can't be doing this with gross hands either.
Robbie, wash your hands.
I can't. This
They're
stuff doesn't
permanent.
come off.
Yes, it
It's
does.
permanent.
Use the soap. Use the dish soap.
No, Dad.
Wash them.
Oh, you know what we should do? We could have these as our eyes. And then we can go. Hello and welcome.
We're not doing that. You put those down.
Like on Who Killed Roger Rabbit. He's like, "Wah."
All of you have bad ideas right now.